In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load a PGN file on chess.com. This is particularly useful for reviewing and analyzing past games or for setting up specific scenarios for practice. Now let's jump right into the steps to make this happen smoothly and efficiently. First, the journey begins at chess.com. This website is a fantastic platform for playing chess online, connecting with other players and improving your skills. So go ahead and open your browser and navigate to chess.com. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar login button conveniently located in the left middle corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. Next up, it's time to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, type your username and password into the designated fields. Don't worry if you've forgotten them. There's usually an option for resetting your password nearby. Alternatively, if you've originally joined chess.com using another platform like Google, Apple or Facebook, you can click on those respective icons to log in seamlessly. If you're opting for Google's authentication, you'll need to click on the Gmail account associated with your chess.com account. It's a straightforward process that ensures your login is secure and efficient without remembering yet another password. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to the fun part. Hover your mouse over the Learn tab. This action will reveal several options, one of which is the analysis board. Click on this option to open a versatile tool where you can load and analyze your chess games with ease. Once the analysis board is open, you'll notice an option labeled Load from FEN-PGNS. Click here to begin the process of uploading your PGN file. PGN, which stands for Portable Game Notation, is the standard plain text format for recording chess games. It's a useful tool for replaying games move by move and identifying areas for improvement. In the field provided, paste the text of the PGN file you want to review. This step is crucial. Ensure you've copied the entire PGN text from your source file to avoid any issues during the upload. Finally, you're going to click on Upload File. This action initiates the process, and within moments your selected game will appear on the board, ready for you to analyze move by move. There you have it, a clear path to loading PGN files on chess.com. This step-by-step guide should empower you to dive deeper into your chess games, make insightful analyses, and ultimately improve your chess strategies. Thank you for joining me today, and happy chess playing.